Hi and welcome to this channel. In this video I will answer the question, which is the best programming language in the world? When you start your programming career, you are going to encounter a ton of new coding languages. We'll work with old languages and new ones, find and encounter tried and true languages, and the cutting-edge experimental codes. So which is the best programming language in the world? Which language can you fall back on whenever you need a reliable old body to help you through your issues and produce a great application? I have done the research and are back from the trenches to share my discoveries with you, because the best programming language depends on the platform for which you are writing. We look at several platforms and identify the ideal language for each. We will show you the best language for programming Android applications, and also we let you in on the top language for web development. Ready? And you are off. Let's get started. The best programming language for web development is JavaScript. When you work in web development, you want to use a reliable and flexible language that works in a variety of circumstances. JavaScript is the current all-time champ language for web development, and it is the most popular language around. And it's also perfect for front-end web development, thanks to its wide range of frameworks and libraries. JavaScript has been the #1 choice for web development for years. A whole puzzle of tools have cropped up to help you work with it more effectively. Angular, jQuery, React, Ember, and Vue are all designed to assist you in the development process and make working with JavaScript a treat. You can ever run JavaScript in backend server applications. And now, after we talked about the best programming language for web development, we're gonna talk about the best programming language for Android development, which is Java. Yeah, Java, the Android development hero. When you work with Android-based smartphones, Java is your best friend. Java relies on Java Virtual Machine to operate, and thanks to its high-level character, the language is so simple to learn and use compared to other mobile app languages. Java is often the first language that new coders learn, and for a good reason. The language is intuitive and easy to modify for individual tasks. Java is mobile developers' choice due to its speed and scalability. Also, Java doesn't require you to keep tabs on memory usage and other behind-the-scenes actions, as it does all the grunt work for you without your input. That leaves you free to work on your programming rather than spend all your time on housekeeping chores. You can work with Java on Mac, PC, Linux, or Java compiler. That's a whole radio. Figuring out which programming language is the best in the world is a tough job, which is why we have thrown our hat into the ring. What is your opinion of what the best programming language in the world might be? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you want to know more about web and app development, check more videos in this channel. That's all for this video. I hope you liked it. Subscribe for more content about programming and stuff. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.